Hi, I'm Chinmay Jaga and I study in class 5. I study in BCMI Model Senior Secondary School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am here for my certification for Google Sites. So, firstly, we should know that what we need to do. We need to create a website on our favorite destination place. On the home page, you can add the photo and short description of the place you like. Add a page called gallery, which will have photos of that place. And add page called videos, which will have some videos related to that place. Add a page called things to the at the page called things to do, which will have a document having details of what all things you can do in that place. Add a page called contacts, in which you can give your contact details and the map showing the location. So let us start. So my favorite destination place is Melbourne. The Melbourne is the coastal capital of the southern eastern Australian state of Victoria, and the city centre is the modern Federation Square development with plazas, bars and restaurants by the Yarra River. So my gallery. These are some photos of Melbourne. You can see the beautiful photos of Melbourne. Now the videos. This video is of the Hosier Lane in Melbourne. You can see it. You can see the beautiful Hosier Lane. You can see the paintings. Very nice. You know, I went to Melbourne last year for playing World School Cricket Championship, and I saw this beautiful lake. Wow, such a good paintings. Wow, awesome. So this was the video. So now I'll show you the other one. This is the museum in Cartland, which is a district in Melbourne. You can see the fossils of the dinosaurs. You can see the ancient rocks. I also seen this museum. This was a very big and very great museum. Wow, awesome. I am inspired with this museum. I got lots of knowledge. So now the page thinks comes here. The things which have the Google Doc document. Here, the name Melbourne covers an urban agglomeration spanning 9,902.5 kilometers square, 3,858.1 square meter, which comprises the border metropolitan area as well as being the common name for its city center. The metropolis is located on the large natural bay of the Port Phillip and expands into the hinterlands towards the Dandenong and the Massian mountain ranges, Mauritian Peninsula and Yarra Valley. Melbourne consists of 31 municipalities. It has population of 4,725,316 as of 2016, and its inhabitants are called Melburnians. Here is Melbourne. You can see here. So there are many coordinates, population density, established elevation, area, time zone, summer, DST location, and much more. So now the page contact. The contacts page has a contact 6143 plus 614314600705. So here I have added the map of Melbourne. We have to scroll to add the map. So I am clicking on control and I have added the map. You can see. So now I'll tell you how I made this site. Here I went to Google. I clicked on this app, Google Apps option. I clicked on Drive. Then I got the drive. I clicked on New, More. Here Google Sites. So here is add your page title. So my page title was So this is my title. I done here control plus copy, or you can left click and click on copy. Here I done control plus P. Here income itself. So I clicked on add logo. I clicked select image. I typed there Melbourne and I got this logo and I got this space type photo by clicking on change image, select image in the gallery, and here I got this photo. Then here I I typed here from Google by clicking on new tab google.com and typing Melbourne Wiki, and I got the Wikipedia of Melbourne. I added this photo of MCG by clicking on images, search. Here I typed Melbourne and I got the photos. Then how I entered this second page of gallery, you must be thinking. Here I clicked on pages, add a new page, page name as gallery. And I forgot to tell you how I added this theme. I clicked on themes. I clicked on impression but the default color of impression is red. But I taken the impression as green. So I got impression as green. and I typed here, these are some photos of Melbourne by taking the text box. It was normal text and I done it as heading. I added these photos from Google. And the page videos are same. I clicked on pages. Then I got the new page. Here I added the wallpaper by clicking on section background image, select image, and I got this here as both. Here I added this as from the YouTube by Embedded Earl. In the things page, I typed the document and I searched from Google and typed the document and I clicked on insert here Google Docs and I got this. So at contact I added the name contact at the same pages and new page and I typed here as contact as my Sanjeev uncle's number is this, so I added here. I added the map by clicking on Google Embeds. In the section Google Embeds, I got map and I clicked here and I got this. So let's recap. We have to use themes, formatting content, text boxes, images, videos, links, Google Docs and Google Maps. I have used all these things. So, Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.